Hi everyone, this is Tamu. Welcome to my channel, The Cloud Security Guy. In case you are new here, I talk on a weekly basis about things like cloud security, artificial intelligence, and general cybersecurity career advice. So, welcome to another video this week, and it's a very important video which I talk about trends for cloud computing. Basically, it is hard to believe, but the last quarter of 2022 is almost about to start, and now is as good a time as any to look about what's happening in the cloud computing industry in 22 and beyond 2022. So if you have not jumped on board the cloud computing train, then believe me when I say it's only a matter of time. There's If you're working in information technology, there's really no way to skip cloud computing. And this video is about the most important trends that are going to be coming and prominent in the coming years. So if you're looking for a career in cloud computing, then these are the things you should be well aware of, and you should be investing your time and knowledge into these things. So let's take a look. What am I talking about? As per Gartner, 95% of new workloads will be deployed on the cloud by 2025. So it's no joke. If you want to stay relevant in information technology, these are the things you need to know. So, what are the key cloud computing trends that are going to dominate the industry this year and beyond? So, let's take a look. And before we move ahead, guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel. This way, you'll be aware of new videos that come, and it will really help the channel to grow. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, trend number one, which is cloud security. The trend which is going to dominate the most. There are simply not enough cloud security professionals, guys. There are a lot of cloud professionals. There are a lot of cybersecurity professionals, but there are not enough cloud security professionals who have knowledge of cybersecurity and the cloud, and they are able to use the native power of the cloud. Okay, and I am biased, as you know, towards the importance of cloud security, but there is no doubt this is one of the major trends that is going to continue to dominate the industry. With the rapid adoption of cloud computing for new workloads, cybersecurity guys, they're going to be need to upskill themselves rapidly and learn how cloud security works there. Cloud-based risks are also the top reasons stopping large-scale cloud adoption. And as far as cloud computing trends goes, cloud security will remain at the very top. I have made a video on the cloud security key risks which are there. I'll link it also. And in addition to risks, new technologies like secure access service edge SASE will see increased adoption. These technologies, they combine technologies like cloud access security, brokers, zero trust, networking into a single service which is consumed over the cloud. It's a great way to manage your access across multiple endpoints. I'm going to make a detailed video about SASE soon, so let me know if you're in the comment section if you're interested in that. What's in the second trend, guys? Second trend is multi and hybrid cloud. That is environments that are comprising of like on-prem and a cloud environment, or an environment which is comprised of multiple clouds. Meaning that you might have AWS, you might have Oracle, Azure, Google Cloud. Hybrid or multi-cloud is the reality which companies are struggling to cope up with. So, in addition to the skill challenges, usually cybersecurity professionals don't have enough knowledge of one environment or your IT team. But now you're managing multiple environments. You may be managing Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. Okay. So, and with that, what happens is your CISOs or your cybersecurity heads, they have the issue of visibility across multiple clouds. So your attack surface increases considerably. I have made a video on the multi-cloud challenges also. I'm going to link that. So you need to make sure that you have a cloud security posture management solution implemented. So you can have like a single dashboard, Visibility is one of the key issues. So you need to have visibility. You need to know in a single glance, if you're the CISO, that you need to make sure that you know what's happening in your cloud environment. Apart from that, the skilling, one of the key challenges, which I keep telling again and again, cybersecurity professionals need to have the required skills and knowledge to manage these environments. No amount of third-party tooling can stop human error. Okay, so you need to invest in your skills and tooling, just such as the cloud security posture management. Okay, what's trend three? Trend three is serverless, which is one of the most exciting things which is there in cloud computing. Serverless model, I've talked about this before, basically in which is no infrastructure has to be managed, only cloud needs to be deployed. And that's like a dream come true for CIOs. It's not practical for every type of application, but a lot of CIOs, they want to do is they want to move their application and make it serverless. They don't want to worry about infrastructure. They don't want to worry about the underlying platform, and you just have to implement a serverless application. So just code. That's all you need to worry about. It is going to continue in 2022. Usually, people used to think that it's something only tech startups can do, but no, it's no longer something which only tech startups are going to be using, and companies of all sizes are going to be adopting it. Security professionals will need to accept the fact that large part of their security responsibility will go away in serverless. Okay, it shifts to the cloud provider, and you need to know the security as code. That will become a mandatory skill. You need to upskill yourself. Okay, last one, which is four, rise of AI. So, trend four is my second favorite topic after cloud security, which is artificial intelligence. Now, cloud computing and AI, they are absolutely linked. Why is that? Well, AI is having a transformative effect on all industries, governments, companies everywhere. They're investing billions into the industry. And the market itself is expected to reach around 850 billion in the coming years, which is mind blowing. And the cloud is the preferred playground for AI. You know why? Whether you're a small company or a big Fortune 500, because AI needs a lot of computing power and data storage. And the cloud simply gives you that. Okay, so big names in cloud like AWS have services like SageMaker. You can deploy machine learning models in the cloud easily. Literally, it's just a few button clicks, and not other services which are there like speech and image recognition. They're natively there. So with the cloud, AI becomes very easy, and a lot of companies are going to be moving to cloud just because they want to have that ease of implementing artificial intelligence, using AI, using machine learning to get a competitive advantage. Governments are also the same. So there is absolutely no way you can avoid AI if you're working in the cloud. So, and the cloud has a bright future ahead, with technologies like quantum computing, the metaverse coming up. The days of 100% on prem infrastructure are numbered, guys. If you're an IT, you need to start getting cloud literate today to stay relevant in this new and exciting world. If you're interested in learning about cloud security from scratch, then I have a completely free course on this channel, which I will link, the Cloud Security 101. I made it for people who don't know anything about cloud security and they want to learn about it. Okay, so that's definitely something I would suggest you check it out. So, guys, please do like and subscribe to this channel. And the cloud, it's a great opportunity to revamp the way in which you do stuff. And moving to the cloud is no longer an option. So, upskill today so that you stay relevant. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next.